It's crazy how expensive things are these days. You know, growing up in Spanish Harlem, I learned the value of $1 helping my grandpa sell snow cones. Those life lessons made me who I am today, which is why I feel it's so important to protect what I have and tell everyone about CarShield, because CarShield helps hardworking people get their covered auto repair bills paid. And there's one thing we all know. It's that our vehicles will break down. Plans from CarShield protect up to 5,000 parts and systems. Big items like your transmission, your electrical, engine, AC, and the list goes on. Repairs could cost you thousands of dollars. Without CarShield, that's money that could come right out of your wallet. Nobody wants to pay that, and no one should.
With CarShield, saving the $2,700 has been a real blessing. I love CarShield. It is my lifeline.
Don't risk having to pay out of pocket for expensive auto repairs. Call CarShield now for your free quote before your car breaks down.
In my heart, I'm still that boy from Spanish Harlem that values every dollar. I trust CarShield because they help more drivers save more money on car repairs than anyone else. So if you're like me and love driving, then you need to call CarShield.
All those added benefits for one low monthly payment, in my opinion, is a great value.
All plans include money-saving benefits like nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, help with lockouts, dead batteries, and rental car options. With CarShield's price lock guarantee, your rates won't rise as long as you cover your car. No matter the miles, no matter the claims. Your low month-to-month rate is locked in. Don't wait. Call now.
Protect yourself from rising repair costs and call CarShield to lock in today's 2024 pricing now. Call for your free quote. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.